Good morning. I am Father Joseph, the principal of St.Assisi Public School CBSE, Vikramasingapuram, Tirunelveli District, Tamil Nadu. This video is specially prepared to present before the IC members and CBSE board for upgradation of senior secondary of our school. I sincerely thank the CBSE board for taking effort to conduct IC amid this COVID-19 pandemic situations, and it's a creative initiative thanks to the CBSE board.
A special welcome to our IC members. Our first member, Mrs. Rita Chatterjee, the principal, Happy J School, Kolkata, West Bengal. And our second member, Mrs. Shana Ranjit, the principal, Navajivan Bethany Vidyalaya, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Welcome, madams. This is the outside view of our school. Just we are approaching the main entrance gate. Our watchman is standing there. That's the elevation of our gate. And this is the security room attached with the main gate. And this is the front view of our school. And this is the stage wherein the assembly takes place, the assembly area where the students stand here, the stage and the flag post. And now we are entering into the office and principal's room, and this is the waiting area, and this is the entrance, the main door, and this is the office, the printers and computers in the office. The office people are working here. And this is the principal's room. Now we are going to look into the compound wall. Now we are starting from our main gate. This is the right side of our compound wall. That's the parking area. And this is the north side of the compound wall, north side of the school. This is the second gate, out gate, where the students and parents go out. North side of the compound wall. And the starting of west side of the compound wall, western side. The western side of the compound wall. And now starting from the south side of the compound wall, this is behind the boys' toilet, south side of the compound wall. And now behind the girls' toilet, south side of the compound wall. And this is another gate wherein we priests come inside the school campus. And again, this is the south side of the compound wall. Just behind the school. And now we are seeing the eastern side of the compound wall. Eastern side of the compound wall from our school. Eastern side ends, and again the north side of our compound wall. North side of the compound wall that will end with the main entrance. And the compound wall comes to close with the main entrance. Yes, this is the playground, coco court. This is our playground area. First, we are looking into the coco court. This is the volleyball court. This is our shuttle court. Shuttle car court. And now we are seeing the throw ball court, throw ball area. This is our throw ball court. And now we are seeing the kids play zone. A swing. The kids play zone. The slide, climbers, seesaw, the swing. So this is our kids play zone area. This is our table tennis place, table tennis table. This is where students play table tennis. Then we are going to Department of Physical Education. That's physical education room. The balls and all the items needed for the children to play. We have sports equipments here, the archery board. We have easy extracurricular activities and yoga, everything. Chess, carom board. And a physical education master. Now we are looking into the drinking water system, RO water. Drinking water. We purify the water and give to the children. This is the hand wash area. We have 2 hand wash areas. Ten taps attached to each other. These are all fire and safety equipments, buckets. And now we are going into boys' toilets. Boys' toilets and urinals with partition. And toilets for the boys. Toilet for the boys. And this toilet for physically challenged person. Now we are going to girls' toilets. This is our girls' toilet. Urinals attached for KG children. We have got incinerator. The adult girls. This is our girls' toilets. This toilet is just for physically challenged person. Urinals for KG girls. And now we are going to look into the classrooms. This is our KG classroom, KG teacher. KG classrooms drawn with paintings of birds, animals. We have also LCD TV to train the kids in rhymes and so on. Another KG room, KG classroom. Our KG class teacher. Now we are going into first standard A section. This is the first standard classroom. The class teacher is there. First standard A section. And then first standard B section classroom. First standard B section classroom. The class teacher is there. First standard B. This is first standard B. Now we are going to second standard A. Second standard A section. Second standard A. and then second standard B. This is second standard B. Next, third standard, we have only one section. Third standard classroom. Now we are going into fourth standard classroom. This is our fourth standard classroom, only one section. Fourth standard classroom. And now this is fifth standard classroom. Fifth standard classroom. And this is sixth standard classroom. This is sixth standard classroom. And this is sixth standard classroom. This is our seventh standard classroom. Seventh standard classroom. We have got smart board, the projector. From sixth standard onwards, we have digital education. Along with hard copy of the books, we give tabs to the children, to all the children. The lessons are loaded in the tabs, and that is easy to carry. And now this is 8th standard classroom. 8th standard classroom. So the children bring only the tabs to the school. They don't bring the books. It's very easy for them to carry. And this is 8th standard classroom. And now this is 9th standard classroom with a smart board and projector. And now this is 10th standard classroom. We have got 5 children in the 10th standard. This is our first batch. And this is the empty classroom. Another empty classroom with furnitures. And another empty classroom with furnitures. Another empty classroom with furnitures. And another empty classroom with furnitures. And empty classroom with another empty classroom. And another empty classroom. And another empty room, and another empty room. And now we are going into our auditorium. This is our auditorium. We use it for multi-purpose. The children come here on every Monday to do yoga. And also all the meetings and gatherings are organized here. And now we are getting into language lab. This is our language lab. we use mini transmitters and headsets along with LED TV for the language lab. Now we are getting into physics lab. This is our physics lab. Physics stock register, transistor, logic gates, potentiometer, optical bench, vernier caliper, screw gauge, resistance box, rheostat, voltmeter, ammeter, tuning fork, PN junction, meter bridge, milliammeter, galvanometer, physical balance, and this is the physical balance. And traveling microscope, and many more things are there needed for physical lab. The charts. This is our physics lab. And now we are getting into our biology lab. This is our biology lab. The stock register, manuals, dissection microscope, compound microscope, models of human body, brain, heart, ear, so on. Test tubes for test, desiccator, dyes, specimens, and many more things needed for biology lab. And human skeleton, model of human skeleton, and charts. And various charts are there. And this is our biology lab. And now we are getting into our computer lab. This is our computer lab. The computer teacher is there. The computer stock register. And we have 20 computers with good conditions. We have 20 computers. These whole computers are being upgraded with appropriate software to enable students of classes +1 and +2 to compile and run programs, and we have good internet connectivity through broadband. And all the computers are equipped with updated softwares and advanced technical aids. We have also specially made chairs inside the computer lab. And now we are getting into our chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Chemistry teacher is there with a stock register and entry note and everything. And laboratory thermometer, litmus paper, red and blue, pH paper, spirit lamp, beakers, test tubes, pipettes, pipettes, conical flask, acids, bases for volumetric analysis, salts for salt analysis, Bunsen burner for heating purpose, tripod stand, wire gauge. And this is our chemistry lab. This is being equipped with needed chemicals and so on. We have got also fire extinguisher inside and gas connections and exhaust fan. So this is our chemistry lab. Now we are getting into our maths lab. Maths lab. We have got lots of models needed to teach mathematics for primary sections and higher sections. The teachers take these models to their classrooms and they bring the students here also to teach effectively. This is our maths lab. And now we are getting into our library. There's a library stock register 1 and 2, both registers are there. The librarian. We have got also library software installed. We have variety of books, literature, stories, scientific fictions, and reference books, reference manuals, religious books, stories, encyclopedias. So we have lots of reference books. We have more than 4,000 books inside our library. This is the reference section for the teachers. So this is our library equipped with modern books. And now we are getting into medical room. Also it's being used as a counseling room. Medical room. The nurse is there and all the registers needed for medical checkup and stock registers are there. We have first aid box and some pills and medicines to use for first aid. And we have a bed also with attached bathroom. And this is the end of our video. I sincerely thank you, our IC members, for your patient viewing and listening to the videos. Hope to see you soon on live session. Thank you.